Trust me. Everything's gonna be fine. You met me at a very strange time in my life.